to you. Kata-kata. Happy birthday to you. Everybody sing.
Happy birthday, happy birthday.
Okay, faster. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday. One, two. Okay, everyone say happy birthday, buddy! Thank you very much. Happy birthday, Kuya Buds. So, wala oy. Okay, thank you very much. And now, let's hear. Oh, sige daw, try na pinaka daw, Ben. Sige daw. It's a prank! Okay, Kuya Buds, salit dire. Okay.
Ang kuya nag-share pang mugamas. Walay budget, walay budget.
So kuya, unsa imong message para sa tanan o sa imong birthday ka?
Para sa tanan, ang taulang po ang Pilipinas. Wala na ikurap. Kanang na mga kuandya, ako ba presidente o mamiyot? Ang mga upan ng sugod, walang tago na mo ha. Eh, pag ako na mayor ng Davao, Hipos.
Pwede ni siya klaro.
Ang wish na ko na ang musunod na birthday is Parilowe. Ginagay ko ito yung birthday pre. Ipang ang kwarta ba? Ipang ako pre brumbalas mga pre water.
Nakalintan.
Ulas budget pre. Salamat kayo sa inyong pag-ani sa akong birthday. God bless you all and thank you so much!
Thank you very much. So, and with that, our program has officially concluded, and we would like to thank our our birthday celebrant. Thank you, Kuya Buds, for inviting us here for your birthday. So, I hope ng tanan, talingaw, nag-enjoy. But wait, there's more. So, we would like to thank you for making in this wonderful celebration of Bud's 50th birthday. For those who are going home, may God bless you. Benta. Sa gusto mo uli, amping mo, but well, nice surprise si Kuya Bad sa inyong tanan. So after this, we will have our part 2 at Manila Bayot Residence. So let's have fun, dreams. So tanaw na to kung makaulit pa ba mo. Okay.
Pwede mo mato sa balay, night swimming. Tapos swimming pool dito. Lots of drinks. Soft drink.